In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay Seller Hub. Think of Seller Hub as your command center for everything you sell on eBay, your listings, orders, performance, and more, brought together in one streamlined dashboard. We'll get you there quickly, then I'll explain what you're seeing so you can navigate with confidence. Start on the eBay homepage. Move your mouse to the top of the screen and hover over the My eBay option. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor over it. A small menu will drop down. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a second and make sure your pointer is directly on the My eBay label. On some screens, the menu can be a bit sensitive, so a steady hover works best. From that drop-down, click on Selling. This takes you straight into eBay's selling tools. It's the fastest, most reliable path, whether you're managing a single item or an entire store. If you're already signed in as a seller, you'll go right through. If anything looks unfamiliar, it's often just a regional layout difference, but the selling option. Under My eBay is the doorway you want. Once you click Selling, you'll land on Seller Hub. This is where the real value begins. At the top, you'll usually see tabs such as Overview, Orders, Listings, Marketing, Performance, Payments, and sometimes Research. The Overview page is a dashboard that highlights the most important information at a glance. Tasks that need your attention, recent orders, messages, shipping statuses, and quick links to common actions. Many of these tiles can show alerts like items waiting to be shipped or offers from buyers, so it's a great habit to scan this page first. The Orders area centralizes everything that's sold, what needs packing, what's already shipped, and what might need a message or a label. Listings is where your active, scheduled, and ended items live, along with drafts you've saved. You'll see useful filters and columns to help you sort by price, quantity, status, or timing. Marketing brings you to tools for promotions and discounts to drive visibility. Performance gives you analytics, traffic, impressions, conversion, and service metrics, so you can spot trends and make better decisions. Payments shows your payouts, fees, and transaction details in one place. A quick tip: the Overview dashboard is customizable in many accounts, letting you prioritize the tiles and reports you care about most. Also, interface labels may change as eBay updates features, but the structure stays consistent. That's it. Hover over My eBay, click Selling, and you're in Seller Hub, your all-in-one workspace to manage, measure, and grow your eBay sales efficiently.